Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by flipping the chair onto a soft blanket so you don't scratch anything. This also exposes the base fasteners. Once done, remove visible casters by pulling straight down while twisting slightly, then set them aside in a container. Next, unclip any fabric or plastic covers around the seat junction to reveal screws and bolts. Make sure to photograph each step so reassembly is straightforward and you won't mix up similar fasteners. Now focus on the central tilt and gas mechanism. Brace the seat and begin loosening the main bolts holding the tilt plate because those secure the whole assembly. Once bolts are out, lift the seat off the base while noting washers and spacers. Arrange them in sequence. To separate the gas lift from the base, depress the mechanism and tap around the receiver with a rubber mallet. This breaks corrosion or grime. Make sure parts are labeled, so the same orient. Finish by detaching the bottom ring and sliding the star base off the gas cylinder. Inspect the hub and each leg for cracks or stripped sockets because these cause wobble. Clean mating surfaces with a rag and a light lubricant and swap any cracked plastic or bent legs before reassembly. If the base refuses to come off, apply penetrating oil around the joint and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, then try again with controlled taps. If stubborn, heat the receiver briefly to expand metal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.